Hi everyone, my name is Renilyn Gonzaga from Totalandags, Bohol, and I am 19. So these are my compilations of my friends' first impressions about me. Let's go!
Good day everyone, my name is Ken Rimador. I'm one of Rilin's friends. So my first impression of her is she's the kind of girl na introvert siya in the first place, and now I realize nga nakadugay na mo uban naman sa diri sa bookstore. Approachable siya nga paggabai, and kuan siya kanang buutan, then mindful sa mga trabaho. Then that's all.
Hi, good day. So I am Hinaro Libres Jr. So I'm one of Renalyn's friend here and as a co-working scholar nga member nga na-assign diri sa bookstore. Okay, so for the question kung unsa nga akong first impression ni Renalyn is kadong first na kung kita ni Renalyn is last December katong training pa nila. So, duha sila bali adto, and then nakakita ko nilang duha, ako silang gi-approach, and then i-ask ko nilang, kamang bago ani day, so, moto, and then nakita na ko si Renalyn na, ni-smell siya, so murag, very cheerful lang kayo nga, anang approach, because yung like, yes kuya, kami ang bago. Okay, on that day nga, nakita na ko siya, kay nakita na niya nga, kanang positive siya, kanang na siya, optimism, and then optimism towards sa duty, and then nakita po na ko nga kanang very open siya if like maghatag may task niya, and then kanang easy to deal lang siya adto nga adlaw nga nakita na ko siya. So mo to siya very cheerful lang, very light nga energy, kanang positive girl. So nga na akong first impression ni Renalyn.
Good afternoon, I am Ryan Banach. I am Renalyn's friend. So my first impression for her is that she's very friendly and easy to get along with, because I met her last August and she was very easy to get along with because she's so fun and she's just open to conversations and ideas, and she brings light and positive aura with the group. Thank you.
Good day everyone, my name is Gerald John Alfil. I am one of Renalyn friends. So my first impressions to her is when I first met her, my first impressions are like she's kind of introvert girl, but in the reality when I know her well, like she kind of like she bring happiness of the group, and she's jolly and good friend and loyal also.
Hi, my name is Shalom Madihanan. I am one of Renalyn's friend, and my first impression niya is kanang garaon, and then jolly siya nga pagkatao whenever naami sa isa ka circle kay iha jud tingog ang mulabaw, pinakadako ug katawa.
So good day, my name is Roxanne Marie Maestre. I'm one of the friends of Renalyn Gonzaga. So my first impression about Renalyn at first, so we meet back last year, a specific month, December. So my first impression about her is quite introvert. I can't specify if she's a lot of talkative or maybe she's just new in our office, she's new like sa office naman sa bookstore. And then later on, with the past weeks or months, I discovered the side of her, like she's jolly, easy to get along, and also the clown of bookstore, same as one of my friends, Gennaro. So, as the months goes and pass by, maybe years, I can get along with her. Like we've been to trips, like food trips, then also like travels. So sometimes, namin jud nga side niya makaingon ta nga nay negative na po'y good side. So sa good side niya is easy go lucky, like siya like dali ra siya makapakatawag tao, like kung unsa may mga gibati, like easy niya ma-cope up with some sa negative na usahay nga man cut off jud siya tao, like totally cut off jud kaniya, like di ka tagdon like para kung hitabo pag last month yana na siya sinirelin. So mo ra tong impression niya.
Hello, good day. I am Gina May Digamo, 19, and I am one of Renalyn's friend o iyahang pong ka-workmate. And kinaunang panahon siyang nakita, no? Hilumon siya og mahinhin. And ako ang impression niya kay buotan og makasaligan sa trabaho. So, and I am happy that along the way, I found out and discovered that she's able to learn and willing to learn.